Good day everyone. Today we make a small review of the second 2 weeks and working on a task related, homework related to the second class. So second class was related to downloading Ubuntu system, Linux, and the task was write down first functions of the application because little bit idea was changed. Then set up Ubuntu along with Windows, then make the first function on PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and making a CRUD. And fourth one, use MySQL as a database, and then cover chapters 5 to 10 of the PHP book. So, and we discuss a little bit about that is very important to understand how PHP works without libraries, databases, user authentication. Then second step is to study and use JavaScript front end, and next one is to study and use Laravel library as a backend. And we discussed that there are three types of three major things like React, Vue, and Angular. And so I made this Ubuntu system. It was not easy because I only have heard about that. And first of all, I made some plan. I tried to make it here in Google Docs, but then shifted to Google Sheets. And the first thing that I done is written down, noted these functions. That functions I updated a bit, and idea was little bit changed. So I made quite a big map of the functions. Like first one is life overview, and to make some calculation about one's life, how much had a person already passed, how much is waiting for him, what is his expecting lifespan, and expecting time when he want to take some rest, retired, and like these things. And then how much he want to get monthly, and then to make some strategy how to achieve this monthly income. This is life overview. Then second big step is motivation. Here I want to make a balance, a life balance circle, and see how does it works. Make some motivation. Then achievement plan, and then feedback. So this was my brief plan. And then I also made in Google Sheets 2 weeks plan. So I noted down these 5 tasks, 5 homeworks that was given, and I made some plan when I will do and how it will works. Actually, execution was not like it was expected. Something became in time, like write down first function was done properly, but set up things was not easy. So even I had to reset up Ubuntu system because when I try to make more properties, more features with Ubuntu for it works properly, it became little complicated. So there was solution to reset up it fully. Fortunately, I had this live CD, live USB, so it was not difficult for me. I was try to manage swap file and so many other things with Ubuntu, and internet was not also working properly. So many interesting things, but that experience was very valuable for me because these difficulties it's very important to come through that, because it increases capacity of achieving the final results. And I didn't code for 1 week my application because system was not working properly, and I put more attention for reading books and making examples from the book, and it was not easy also, because for compared to last 2 weeks, this week it was two more chapters, like it was 4 before, and now it was 6 chapters. So I made a plan, and all examples given in the book I had also typed myself and check with the browser. And using MySQL for CRUD, actually I plan to start it within first week itself, but finally it was done only last 2 days, and I was finished that just 5 minutes before before third class was started. So this was my plan, and then there was fighting with the Ubuntu setup and like these things, but finally I came to coding. So what I do here is homework 2, and I have some folders here. This is folder of my previous function of the previous balance project. So index.php, yes, I use something from here, and ch means chapters. Here I made some examples, I try some examples that was given in the chapters, and apply everything in a browser to see how it works, to understand properly. Then this folder is related to databases, and LP is Life Planner. This is my actual project. So I start to show with index.php. Just copy path and see what we have finally. Okay, so I made this. This is code. Code is very simple, just HTML code, and it shows like this: welcome to the white picture of life, thank you. Then, would you like to observe your full lifespan from the birth to the last moment? Yes, sounds good. We'll see how much path had you already passed and how much is rest. Nice. According to your ideal picture of life, we will make a proper plan to achieve it smoothly. Good. A great journey to awareness is challenging you. Wonderful. And we made it as simple and joyful as possible. Let's start.